Okay, so let's start doing this dorky video. So first it wants us to label the acid and base. I guess I'll start by drawing the lone pairs. The sulfur must have an extra one since it's negative. Let's see, which will automatically make it the base. And this the acid. Sulfur is going to want to take one of these hydrogen lone pairs, or one of the hydrogen protons, and oops. So we'll draw the arrow. The hydrogen. It'll give that lone pair to the nitrogen. And I guess I will draw the product. Okay, so now it wants to know the conjugate acid and the conjugate base. Since this is a base, this is going to have to be the conjugate acid. Okay, now it wants to know, identify the strong acid, etc. Okay, so I guess I'll work through Ario right now to figure that out. Obviously I have my cheat sheet, but it might just be total garbage. So the atoms are going to be the most important thing. We know that oxygen and nitrogen and fluorine are the most electronegative things here. The product has a nitrogen with that lone pair and also the fluorine over on the other side, which induction can cause that charge to be pulled between nitrogen and fluorine a little bit, spreading out the charge more. So I'm gonna say that this conjugate base is a weak base, which means it's more stable. Making this the strong base. Let's see here. Since the acid of the conjugate base is more stable and is a weak base, I'm going to call that a strong acid. And the only thing left is going to be this conjugate acid, would be a weak acid. So that's kind of my reasoning. I think it's going to probably favor, like I said, it's going to favor the products because this seems to be a more stable compound. The nitrogen is electronegative and it does well holding that charge. Even though sulfur is bigger and the orbital is a little more stable holding that charge directly, I'm gonna say that nitrogen is more stable because that fluorine is also there, spreading out the charge a little bit. So that, I'm gonna say products are favored. And that might be total crap, so Thanks.